So today I'll be showing conversation AI. So let's get it started. Clicking on the settings, and here we'll find the conversion AI, and here you can see the UI of the conversion AI. So you can turn off it anytime, and you can choose the options as you need. If you want to make it in autopilot, so you can do that also. And here is the supported channel. You can add any channel you need: Instagram, Facebook, SMS, and live chat also. And here is some autopilot modes setting. So this is the time you have to set. This time, like within this time it will be responded. And at a time, maximum message, how much message it can be sent. This is for that one. So mostly we will be learning today the bot trial. How can we train the bot from a link? Suppose I have a agency, so how I can train my bot as per my agency website. So we'll have go to the training. As you can see, I have added here a lot of links. Also, I have added SG Innovation Culture link. So here is the page website basically. So you can see here we have some cultural points. So I have added this link here to train. It is already trained. You can just copy and paste this link here. And if you click on get data, it will get all of the data it has. So also you can add the FAQ. Sometimes you maybe the answer you are expecting, it won't be getting the same as your expectation. That time you can add an FAQ, question and answer. That will be really helpful for the bot training. So just uh, for a trial, we can ask him. As you can see, it's fetching the data from our HI culture page correctly, working together, making client successful, and other stuff. So that's how you can train your bot. Also, you can configure with FAQ. And here is another thing. Just let me quickly show you appointment booking. If you pick any calendar, you can see here is a lot of calendar. So if we will connect a calendar here, it will be also automatically book the appointment. So you can see this is really a helpful feature for any agency. This is it for today. Thank you.